This passage of scripture that I will be talking about today is coming from Proverbs. This is Solomon talking to the people and instructing them, telling them what God had left for him to give to his people and how they should be able to deal with different things that come their way in their lives. And this is Solomon with instruction for wisdom. And as we get wisdom, we will know and trust in God more and lean on God more and allow God to lead us in the way that he would have us to go. This is Solomon preaching and teaching the people what God would have for them to do, for us to get more wisdom, for us not to be weak. And when we are weak, the things that he have taught us, he was telling us to keep his commandments, to continue to do what he has instructed us to do. And the passage that I will be reading will be Proverbs from the 3rd chapter, and I will start at the 1st verse. It says, "My son, forget not my law, but let thy heart keep my commandments. For the length of the day and long life and peace shall they add to thee. Let not mercy and truth forsake thee. Bind them about thy neck. Write them upon the table of thy hearts. So shalt thou find favor and good understanding in the sight of God and man." Said, "Trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. Be not wise in thy own eyes. Fear the Lord, and depart from evil. It shall be health to thy navel, and marrow to thy bones. Honor the Lord with thy substance, and with thy first fruit of all thy increase. So shall thy barn be filled with plenty, and thy press shall burst out with new wine. My son, despise not the chastening of the Lord, neither be weary of correction. From whom the Lord loveth, he correcteth, even as a father the son in whom he delighteth. Happy is the man that findeth wisdom, and the man that get understanding. For the merchandise are better than the merchandise of silver, and the gain thereof their fine gold. She is more precious than ruby, and all the things that can desire are not to compare unto her. Length of days in her right hand, and her left hand riches and honor. Here her ways are pleasantness, and of all paths and peace. She is the tree of life to them that lay hold upon her, and happy is every that retain her. The Lord by wisdom hath founded the earth, thy understanding hath established the heaven. By this knowledge the depths are broken up, and the clouds down the dew. My son, let not thou depart their eyes. Keep sound wisdom and discernment. So shall they be life unto thy soul, and grace to thy neck. Then shalt thou walk in thy way safely, and thy foot shall not stumble. When thou liest down, thou shalt not be afraid. Ye that lay down and sleep, and thy sleep shall be sweet. For I have read Proverbs 3:1 through 23.